My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on unit number 1, quadratic equation. Exercise number 1.1, question number 1. Write the following quadratic equation in the standard form and point out the pure quadratic equation. Part 1. X plus 7 into x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So x multiplied by x minus 3 and then plus 7 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. X multiplied by x into x minus 3, so x square minus 3x, then 7 into x minus 3, 7x minus 21 is equal to minus 7. X square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to minus x square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to minus 7. Now x square plus 4x minus 21, राइट साइड में माइनस 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो आप इसको लेफ्ट साइड में मूव करोगे तो प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 21 प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 0. देन नाउ वी गेट द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 14 इज इक्वल टू 0. Part 2 x square plus 4 by 3 minus x by 7 is equal to 1. Solution: x square plus 4 by 3 minus x by 7 is equal to 1. Taking LCM, so we get, after taking LCM, now we solve the LCM. We get 7x square plus 28 minus 3x is equal to 1 multiplied by 21. 7x square plus 28 minus 3x is equal to 21. Now 7x square plus 28 minus 3x minus 21. We get 7x square minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, an equation which contains the square of the unknown variable quantity but no higher power is called quadratic equation, or an equation of the second degree. Part 4, x plus 4 by x minus 2 minus x minus 2 by x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into x multiplied by both sides, x minus 2x into 4 plus 4 by x minus 2 minus x minus 2 into x minus 2 by x plus 4 into x minus 2 into x is equal to 0x in x minus 2 into x. Now we solve this. Cut the same values and other values multiply to each other. Now we get x square plus 4x minus x into x, x minus 2 into x minus 2 plus 4 into x square minus 2x is equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus x minus 2 into x minus 2 multiply to each other, then plus 4 multiplied by x square minus 2x is equal to 0. After multiplication we get x square plus 4x minus x square minus 2x plus 4 bracket close plus 4x square minus 8x is equal to 0. Now remove the bracket. X square plus 4x, x square plus 4x minus x square plus 4x minus 4x plus 4x square minus 8x is equal to 0. Now we solve this. 4x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Divided by 4 on both sides, we get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0 in quadratic equation ax square plus c is equal to 0, then it is called pure quadratic equation.